Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I was basically recreating this look. And yeah, so as you can see, I've started with my base already done. If you want an updated base routine, just let me know. And these are the palettes I am going to be using. Of course, they are listed below. And as you can see, I've been using these for a while. So I'm going in with the Juvia palette, and I'm going to start with that orange. And I'm just putting it on there as if I'm putting on blush. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You're just packing it on there. Then I'm going in with that dark brown, same palette, and just once again, no right or wrong way, just packing it on there. And I'm just blending. There's nothing really to talk about here. Just a little blending. Also, this is the picture that I'm referencing. I got it off Pinterest, but I've always had this in my thing, like in my Pinterest, so I just want to recreate it. Now I'm going in with another Juvia's Place palette, and I'm just taking that dark brown right there and just adding some color wet. This is all color, Taylor. How dare you? Just adding more of a transition. I don't know. I'm really just playing around. There's no right or wrong. Then I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm taking that very bright orange and putting it on my cheekbones almost directly under my eye. And now I'm going back in with the same Juvia's Place palette, that very first one. I'm just taking that orange palette in there and just put it in my crease. And then I'm going back in with like a peachy orange and just putting that in there. This is being fall inspired, so I'm just really using orange, browns, and golds and yellows. You'll see the gold in a second, but mainly just, there's no right or wrong way. I'm just really just playing around and just playing with color, because fall, once again, is my favorite time of the year. I did this last minute also. I wanted to add gold, so I got the chocolate gold palette by Too Faced and just added that in my on my eyelid like a cut crease. I naturally do cut creases. Like, I never have not done a cut crease. I've been doing cut creases since I was like 15. So here we are, and then I'm just going back in and just kind of blending it out so it's not like a harsh defining line where I started the gold. So yeah. And then I'm going in with my Wet n Wild, my holy grail liquid eyeliner. I will forever use her. And I'm just doing my eyeliner. The picture, she didn't have eyeliner, but I'm going to still add it because you can't stop me. And then I'm just going back in with the oranges and everything and just going under my waterline. Just blending that out, but I didn't want it to be too heavy. So I'm just going in and just adding that in there. So nothing crazy. I think I was singing right here, guys. Don't judge me. And I skipped the song, Lord. Okay, now I'm just going in with just a random brush and just kind of blending that out. And then I'm going in with my NYX Cosmetics mechanical liner in the shade Black. Don't ask me once again how I'm able to do this without poking myself in my eye. Yeah, I'm just that good. I'm that girl, so maybe, I don't know. And then I'm just coating my lashes with mascara. This is the Tarte one. It's really tiny, but I really like it. I don't know why. I got it from Ulta in my gratis bag. So yeah. And of course, I'm going in with my lash glue, which is Duo. And those are the lashes that I use. But while I let that dry, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Chocolate Matte Lip. I do not like chocolate, but I do like this lipstick, basically. I will say, though, it is hard to get off your lips. Like, it's very matte. So if anyone who remembers wearing matte lipstick, you understand that it dries your lips out. But for this look, this is what I needed. And it makes my teeth super white. Now I'm just adding those lashes. And of course, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild setting spray. I actually grabbed this on accident and I am obsessed with it. But just setting that all in place. And there you have it. That is that look. You probably saw a glimpse of a tail that was an eyelid. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye.